wanted more. The singular cough is very baby.
That's true, that's true. And
But I have to wonder if the short duration is a bit of an unfair advantage, because we don't have as much information to compare against the other contestants.
yes, is that one singular cough because she knows she can't keep up that baby coughing quality?
So I'm gonna have to dock some points.
You're right,
somewhere.
Judge Fauna. I will say the sound frequency is probably where she will score the lowest. I didn't feel any urge to take care of her.
That's right.
I will have to judge her harshly for that. And 1, 2, 3. Yes, the only thing she could have done better is cough more.
Oh, hi.